Today I'm going to show you how to do the last step of finishing an original watercolor bookmark. But first, let me share with you the watercolor setup that I have been using in the past month. This is for the watercolor container. Most of the time I only use the three primary colors. One is Windsor yellow, Windsor red, and pleasant blue. Sometimes I do need other colors though. Lemon yellow will be cooler. Windsor yellow is the middle, but if you use cadmium yellow, it will be a little bit warmer. So if I have two spaces over here, if I divide it into two, one side is a little cooler yellow, the other side a little bit warmer yellow. That would be more perfect. For the blue, a red shade blue and a green shade blue. But right now, I only use the three primary colors. This is fine for most of the paintings. And the second thing I want to show it to you, the mixing plate. And it's very thin. You see that? It's very, very thin. Okay, very small. Both are porcelain, China. You can get this from a large Asian supermarket. This is the bookmark I did for my wife, and she loves it. And I find this in Michael's, any art and craft store, local. I'm going to show you my hole puncher. I got it from Amazon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different sizes. You can use it for leather, cardboard, of course, watercolor paper. I put the links in the video description. You can go straight to take a look at it. See the mark over here? This is rotating this direction. So you can get to the size of the hole that you want. For this one, I think I don't need a really big hole, so I'm going to use this one. This should be good enough. Here you go. And I need to release this. We're going to punch it right over here. Take a look left and right. Okay, you don't want it too close to the edge of the paper. I think this is the right location. Right, you see this. And I'm going to punch it in. You hear the sound. The next thing I'm going to do, that should be long enough. And I'm going to use scissors. I'm going to have this come through the hole. And then have this string bolt and then go through here. Now you have a pretty bookmark. In the year of 2020, I'm going to make more basic watercolor lessons as well as watercolor portrait lessons. We're going to have a lot more fun. Happy New Year to everyone.